All right, so this one is almost identical to the previous example. Okay, so give you this region, shaded region here. And this is the curve y equals square root of 9 minus x squared. Parenthesis is going to be 3. This also is going to be 3. Okay? And then revolve about the x-axis. And they ask us to figure out what is the volume of the revolving solid. And it's revolved by the x-axis. It asks us to using the shell method. Okay. So, to do that, okay, so you need to make sure that you understand the structure of this very well. So this is going to be the shell. Okay, we need to construct. And as we described, the revolving axis is about x, then the shell method, that volume of the revolving solid is going to be with respect to y. Okay, so from 0 to 3, dy. Okay, dy. And then I need to figure out the radius, which is here. I also need to figure out the height, okay, which is here. So the radius, really, there's nothing special. So the radius in terms of y, which is exactly y here, right? And the height, okay, of that shell. This is ry, okay, this is hoy, okay, which, as you can see, that it is x, okay, but I need to figure out x in terms of y. So we have this, so which is x, okay, but I need to write in terms of y. So I know y equals 9 minus x squared, okay. And then if I square both, I'm going to have y squared equals 9 minus x squared. And then I also need to figure out this as x squared equals 9 minus y squared. And then x is going to be positive square root of 9 minus y squared. Why is that? Because, you know, this x, everything is in first quadrant, okay. So we need to make sure it's going to be a positive one. So with that, we got our radius, our height. So we can do 2 pi times the radius, which is circumference, times the height, which is 9 minus y squared. Okay. And then, and then we can solve this integral. So we need to do this. So let's see. Let me take pi outside. Okay. So I have 2y. Okay. Square root of 9 minus y squared dy. It will be good if we can use a u substitution. So set u equals 9 minus y squared. And then du is going to be negative 2y dy, right? And then correspondingly, y is from 0 to 3. And correspondingly, u is going to be from 9 to 0. Okay, from 9 to 0. So yeah, so with everything in mind, we can do our substitution. So this is going to be pi from 9 to 0. 2y dy equals negative du. Okay, so it's the square root of u times negative du here. Okay. So good. And then apparently you will see that, you know, you have a negative here, right? And then, you know, you have 0 to 9. What you can do here is you can flip it. Okay, so it turns out it's going to be u to the power 3 half over 3 half. from 0 to 9. So all you need to do is to substitute. So it's pi times 9 to the power 3/2. Okay. And over 3/2. On top, it's going to be 27. So it's 27 pi times 2/3. So it turns out that this is going to be 18 pi. Okay, so yeah, so this is the answer for this problem. Okay, so yeah, so it's a very simple shell example here. So I hope you enjoyed this.